Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to display an image from SharePoint or OneDrive in Excel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to OneDrive.com. You'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials to access your OneDrive files. This is important because you'll be generating a shareable link that Excel can use to pull the image directly into your spreadsheet. Once you've signed in, wait a moment for the login process to complete. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard, where you can see all your stored files and folders. Now, to get started with displaying your image in Excel, look at the left navigation menu and click on My Files. This will show you a complete list of all the files currently stored in your OneDrive account. From here, browse through your files and locate the image you want to display in Microsoft Excel. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. After selecting the image, you'll notice an action menu appears above the file list. In this menu, look for and click on the Share option. This is where you'll configure the link settings to make sure Excel can access your image. Before copying the link, you'll need to adjust the sharing settings first. Click on the gear icon to open the Share Settings menu. In this menu, you'll see different permission options for who can access your file. Make sure to select anyone from the drop-down. This ensures that the link will work properly when you use it in Excel, as it won't require additional authentication. Once you've selected anyone, click on Apply to save these settings. Now that your sharing settings are configured correctly, click on the Copy Link button to copy the shareable URL to your clipboard. Next, open Microsoft Excel and click on the cell where you want your image to appear. In that cell, type =image to start the image formula. This function allows Excel to pull images from external URLs directly into your worksheet. Now, paste the image link you just copied from OneDrive into the formula. Before pressing enter, you'll need to make a small but important modification to the link. Delete everything from the question mark onward at the end of the URL. Then add download =1 to the end of the link. This modification converts the sharing link into a direct download link, which is exactly what Excel needs to display the image properly. After you've made this adjustment, press enter, and the formula will execute. You should now see your image from OneDrive displayed directly in your Excel worksheet. And that's how you display images from SharePoint or OneDrive in Excel using a simple formula. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.